100 kalimat umum bahasa Inggris untuk percakapan sehari-hari.
Where does she usually go on Saturday night? Kemana dia biasanya pergi di malam minggu? She usually goes to the theater on Saturday night. Dia biasanya pergi ke teater di malam minggu. Where did they visit last year? Kemana mereka berkunjung tahun lalu? They visited London last year. Mereka berkunjung ke London tahun lalu. Where did your father go last night? Kemana ayahmu pergi tadi malam? My father went to his uncle's house last night. Ayah saya pergi ke rumah pamannya tadi malam. Where is her teacher now? Di mana gurunya sekarang? Her teacher is in the classroom now. Gurunya sekarang ada di kelas. Where are you now? Di mana kamu sekarang? Kamu di mana sekarang? I'm behind you. Saya ada di belakangmu. Where can I pray? Di mana saya bisa sholat? You can pray there at the corner. Kamu bisa sholat di sana, di pojok. Where can I buy some food for lunch? Di mana saya bisa membeli makanan untuk makan siang? You can buy some food there, in Block B. Kamu bisa membeli makanan di sana, di Blok B. Where can I meet you? Di mana saya bisa menemuimu? You can meet me in my office. Kamu bisa menemui saya di kantor saya. When will you go to a foreign country? Kapan kamu akan pergi ke luar negeri? I will go to a foreign country next month. Saya akan pergi ke luar negeri bulan depan. When will we watch the newest Indian film? Kapan kita akan nonton film India terbaru? We will watch the newest Indian film this afternoon. Kita akan nonton film India terbaru sore ini. When will they see you again? Kapan mereka akan menemuimu lagi? They will meet me again next Monday. Mereka akan menemui saya lagi hari Senin depan. When will she call you? Kapan dia akan menelponmu? She will call me soon. Dia akan menelpon saya segera. When will you submit your monthly report? Kapan kamu akan menyerahkan laporan bulananmu? I will submit my monthly report before 5 today. Saya akan menyerahkan laporan bulanan saya sebelum jam 5 hari ini. When will we go there? Kapan kita akan pergi ke sana? We will go there tomorrow. Kita akan pergi ke sana besok. When will your father come? Kapan bapakmu akan datang? Kapan ayahmu akan datang? My father will come before New Year. Bapak saya akan datang sebelum tahun baru. When did you write that book? Kapan kamu menulis buku itu? I wrote that book when I was still in senior high school. Saya menulis buku itu ketika saya masih di SMA. When did you first come to Jakarta? Kapan pertama kali kamu datang ke Jakarta? I first came to Jakarta when I was 25. Saya pertama kali datang ke Jakarta pada waktu saya berumur 25. When did it happen? Kapan ini terjadi? It happened last night. Ini terjadi tadi malam. When did he meet you at the first time? Kapan dia ketemu kamu pertama kalinya? He met me at the first time in 1999. Dia ketemu saya pertama kalinya tahun 1999. When is your birthday? Kapan hari ulang tahunmu? My birthday is in August. Hari ulang tahun saya pada bulan Agustus. When does this shop open? Kapan toko ini buka? The shop opens at 9. Toko ini buka jam 9. Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintaiku? I love you because you are smart. Saya mencintaimu karena kamu pintar. Why did they come late? Mengapa mereka datang terlambat? They came late because the bus was late too. Mereka datang terlambat karena bisnya terlambat juga. Why didn't you come to my house last night? Mengapa kamu tidak datang ke rumahku tadi malam? I didn't come to your house last night because my friend came to my house. Saya tidak datang ke rumahmu tadi malam karena teman saya datang ke rumah saya. Why do you want to visit Bali? Mengapa kamu ingin berkunjung ke Bali? I want to visit Bali because I have never been to Bali. Saya ingin berkunjung ke Bali karena saya belum pernah ke Bali. Why were you absent yesterday? Mengapa kamu absen kemarin? I was absent yesterday because I was sick. Saya tidak masuk kemarin karena saya sakit. Why didn't you play tennis this morning? Kenapa kamu tidak bermain tenis tadi pagi? I didn't play tennis this morning because I had to do my homework. Saya tidak bermain tenis tadi pagi karena saya harus mengerjakan PR saya. Why do you want to watch that film? Mengapa kamu ingin menonton film itu? I want to watch that film because the star is my friend. Saya ingin menonton film itu karena bintangnya adalah teman saya. Why do you choose computer program? Kenapa kamu memilih program komputer? I choose computer program because I'm interested in a field of computer. Saya memilih program komputer karena saya tertarik dengan bidang komputer. Why do you like listening to XYZ radio? Mengapa kamu suka mendengarkan radio XYZ? I like listening to XYZ radio because this is my favorite radio. Saya suka mendengarkan radio XYZ karena ini adalah radio favorit saya. Why did you come so late? Mengapa kamu datang sangat terlambat? I came so late because there was an accident near my house. Saya datang sangat terlambat karena ada kecelakaan dekat rumah saya. Why did you buy this bag? Kenapa kamu beli tas ini? I bought this bag because the price was very cheap. Saya beli tas ini karena harganya sangat murah. Why didn't you come to my wedding party? Mengapa kamu tidak datang ke pesta pernikahan saya? I didn't come to your wedding party because I was still in my hometown at the time. Saya tidak datang ke pesta pernikahanmu karena saya masih di kampung waktu itu. Why will you go there? Mengapa kamu akan pergi ke sana? I will go there because I'm invited. Saya akan pergi ke sana karena saya diundang. Why didn't she accompany you? Kenapa dia tidak menemanimu? She didn't accompany me because she was so busy. Dia tidak menemani saya karena dia sangat sibuk. Why do you want to be a history teacher? Mengapa kamu ingin menjadi guru sejarah? I want to be a history teacher because I like reading history books. Saya ingin menjadi guru sejarah karena saya suka membaca buku-buku sejarah. Why did you go to London? Mengapa kamu pergi ke London? I went to London to study English. Saya pergi ke London untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. What time is it now? Jam berapa sekarang? It is 5:30. Jam 5:30. What time does the sun set? Jam berapa matahari tenggelam? The sun set at 6 p.m. Matahari tenggelam jam 6 sore. What time does the class start? Jam berapa kelasnya mulai? The class starts at 8:15. Kelasnya mulai jam 8:15. What time does the bell ring? Jam berapa bel berbunyi? The bell rings at 8:15. Bel berbunyi jam 8:15. What time does the class end? Jam berapa kelasnya berakhir? The class ends at 11:45. Kelasnya berakhir jam 11:45. What time do you go to your office? Jam berapa kamu pergi ke kantor? I usually go to my office before 7 o'clock. Saya biasanya pergi ke kantor saya sebelum jam 7. What time do you have breakfast every day? Jam berapa kamu sarapan setiap hari? I eat breakfast at around 7 every day. Saya sarapan sekitar jam 7 setiap hari. What time do you sleep? Jam berapa kamu tidur? I always sleep after 10 before 12. Saya selalu tidur setelah jam 10 sebelum jam 12. What time will you come to my house? Jam berapa kamu akan datang ke rumah saya? I will come to your house at midday. Saya akan datang ke rumahmu siang hari. What time will you call me? Jam berapa kamu akan menelpon saya? I will call you at 4. Saya akan menelpon kamu jam 4. What time will your friends sing on the stage? Jam berapa temanmu akan menyanyi di panggung? My friend will sing on the stage at 11. Teman saya akan menyanyi di panggung jam 11. What time will we start the program tomorrow? Jam berapa kita mulai acaranya besok? We will start the program at 9 a.m. Kita akan memulai acaranya jam 9 pagi. What time did they sing last night? Jam berapa mereka nyanyi tadi malam? They sang at 8 last night. Mereka menyanyi jam 8 tadi malam. What time did she eat lunch yesterday? Jam berapa dia makan siang kemarin? She ate lunch after 2 yesterday. It was late lunch. Dia makan siang setelah jam 2 siang kemarin. Makan siang yang terlambat. Where do you usually wash your car? Di mana kamu biasanya mencuci mobilmu?